Hello everyone, today I would like to talk to you about two of the Thai Ministry of Transport Safety Regulations year B.E.2554 and year 2558. This comprehensive set of regulations was enacted by the Thai Ministry of Transport to improve road safety and reduce the number of road accidents in the country. Transport Safety Regulations year B.E.2554, 2011. The Thai Transport Safety Regulations year BE.2554 are a set of rules that were made to improve safety in Thailand's transportation system. The rules cover many different parts of transportation, such as how to keep vehicles running safely and how to train drivers. They are meant to make transportation safer and cut down on the number of accidents and deaths in Thailand. Purpose of the regulations. The purpose of the regulations is to establish standards and guidelines for transportation safety in Thailand, covering all forms of transportation including road, rail, water, and air. The regulations outline the responsibilities of transportation operators and service providers, and provide for the powers of inspection and supervision. Road transport safety. Under the road transport safety provisions, the regulations specify the minimum requirements for vehicles and equipment, as well as safety standards for drivers and passengers. The regulations also outline the procedures for investigating and reporting road transportation accidents and incidents. Rail transport safety. For rail transport safety, the regulations specify the minimum requirements for trains and equipment, as well as safety standards for train operation and maintenance. The regulations also outline the procedures for investigating and reporting rail transportation accidents and incidents. Water transport safety. Under the water transport safety provisions, the regulations specify the minimum requirements for ships and boats, as well as safety standards for crew and passengers. The regulations also outline the procedures for investigating and reporting water transportation accidents and incidents. Air transport safety. In the case of air transport safety, the regulations specify the minimum requirements for aircraft and equipment, as well as safety standards for crew and passengers. The regulations also outline the procedures for investigating and reporting air transportation accidents and incidents. Inspection and supervision. Under the inspection and supervision provisions, the regulations provide the powers of inspection and supervision, and outline the procedures for inspection and supervision. The regulations also specify the penalties for non-compliance with the regulations, including fines and the suspension or revocation of transportation operating licenses. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Thai Transport Safety Regulations year BE.2554 is a comprehensive set of regulations aimed at promoting transportation safety in Thailand. By establishing minimum standards and requirements, and providing a framework for investigating and reporting transportation accidents and incidents, the regulations strive to ensure the safety of passengers and goods during transportation, and to promote continuous improvement in transportation safety. The Thai Ministry of Transport Safety Regulations year BE.2558. The Thai Ministry of Transport Safety Regulations year BE.2558 cover various aspects of road safety, including vehicle safety standards, driver qualifications and training, road design, and traffic management. The regulations are designed to ensure that vehicles, drivers, roads, and traffic are all operating in a safe and secure manner. Vehicle safety standards. The rules say what safety standards vehicles must meet to be allowed on the roads in Thailand. Among these standards are: everyone who rides in a car must be able to use seat belts. The driver and front passenger of all new cars must have airbags. This is to make it less likely that someone will get hurt badly in an accident. All cars must have headrests for all passengers, so that if there is an accident, people won't get hurt in the neck. New cars also have to have other safety features, like anti-lock brakes and stability control systems. These features help the driver have better control and stability, which lowers the chance of an accident. Driver qualifications and training. The rules also say what qualifications and training drivers in Thailand must have in order to drive legally. To get a driver's license, you must be at least 18 years old. This is to make sure that drivers are old enough and have enough experience to drive safely. Medical fitness certification makes sure that drivers are healthy enough to drive. Defensive driving training, which teaches people how to use seat belts correctly, deal with emergencies, and stay focused on the road. Road design. The Thai Ministry of Transport Safety Regulations BE.2558 set design standards for Thailand's roads and highways so that people can drive safely and accidents happen less often. Standardized road signs, like stop, yield, and speed limit, to make sure drivers know the rules of the road. Roads and highways should have enough lighting, like street lights and reflectors, to help drivers see better. This makes it easier for drivers to see the road ahead, even at night or in bad weather. By sticking to these rules, roads can be built so that everyone who uses them is safer. Traffic management. The rules also have rules about traffic management, which is the coordination and control of how cars, bikes, and people walk on Thailand's roads. The goal of traffic management is to get rid of traffic jams, make driving safer, and save time. Some ways that traffic is controlled are putting up traffic lights and roundabouts at intersections to control the flow of cars. For instance, if you're coming up to a traffic light that's showing red, you have to stop and wait until it turns green before going forward. By making bike lanes, cyclists will be separated from other traffic and accidents will happen less often. Everyone on the road can be safer if there are safe, separate places for cyclists to ride. Keeping heavy vehicles like trucks and buses moving in a certain way to cut down on traffic and accidents. For instance, some roads may be set aside for trucks only to reduce the effect of heavy vehicles on other drivers. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Thai Ministry of Transport Safety Regulations B.E.2558 are a very important set of rules that are meant to make Thailand's roads safer and cut down on the number of accidents that happen on them. We can all help to make the roads safer and more efficient by following the rules for vehicle safety, driver qualifications and training, road design, and traffic management. Thank you for listening, and I hope you've learned something from this talk.